Welcome to Spring LIB.
In this problem, we have been given that there is a block of mass 30 kg and this block is kept on a surface which provides a static friction of 0.45 and the kinetic friction coefficient of 0.25. So we need to determine the acceleration of the system when this box is pushed with a force of 95 Newton, and we need to also figure out the minimum force which must be applied first so that the block starts moving. So in that case, whatever force is applied, that should be sufficient enough to overcome the static friction. So static friction will be mu times the normal reaction force, that will be mass times acceleration due to gravity. So when we multiply this together, we get the static friction as 132.435. So this much will be in terms of Newton, and this is only the minimum force that must be applied to this block so that it starts moving. And now in the next case, we are already given that the block is moving and we need to determine the acceleration. So the force that is applied on the block is given out to be 95 newtons. And now the friction force that will be acting will be the kinetic friction or the dynamic friction, which can be obtained by multiplying 0.25 with its mass and the acceleration due to gravity. So when we multiply this together, we're going to get the kinetic friction as 73.575, and of course it will be in newtons. So now the net force that's applied on this block is 95 minus 73.575. So we divide this net force with the mass of the block, and that's 30 kilograms, and this should give us the acceleration. So simplifying this here, we get the acceleration as 0.714 meter per second square. Approximately this will be the acceleration of the block.